Hi, I am Shivangi, interior design consultant from ANS Design House, Mumbai. Welcome to this home tour of a warm and elegant house at Monte South, Baikala, Mumbai. This house belongs to a family of three, two super busy professionals and one active kid who wanted a space which is easy, maintenance free and with a character. As the space opens up, you will find warm tropical wallpaper, veneers, layered ceiling, alabaster lamps, which creates a calming mood in the space. And the TV unit, which has an Italian marble cladding, it creates a perfect mix of quiet luxury and drama. Moving on to the bedrooms have their own personalities shaped up by the people who use them. And the kitchen, super fresh, sophisticated and functional. So let's dive into this home tour. Thank you for watching this lovely home tour. I hope you loved it. For more such videos, do subscribe to me on this channel, Interior Designer Shivangi. You can also follow me on Instagram with the same name, Interior Designer Shivangi. You can find more projects on ansdesign.in. See you in the next. Till then, bye.